People, so as you know, at the Monthend give back. And that little man here, that little youth, I know from my baby. You understand? Baby, them time here, when me know him, he live a south side. Them time here, so you hear me say one at a time, I live in one of the three volatile community. Right? Yeah man, so one little girl I say she know me, I say on YouTube, I say her here. Yeah, so you know, I think I say I need somebody to give some grocery, you know, the weather here where we have the face in front of we. You understand? And you know, him just pass me, go down the road and pass, come back with one bag of almond. So somebody I said, what am I gonna do with the almond? I said, what am I gonna do with the almond? So somebody said, you must have to pick them out and make juice or something. So I go so boom. And about 5 minutes after, I bring up the argument and them I say, boy, so what I'm to him father, right? I mean, I say, right, they know in a long time, I know that man have a true, because the man I used to live down the south. Because I remember when him and him father lived down on Ayoban Street. Yeah. Down on Ayoban Street and thing. You see me? So, I say, alright, I go make a link up and see if I can link up and, you know, check him father and see if I can give him father some groceries, because we don't know we have a storm ahead of us, we don't know where I go work out and stuff. And him I don't want to have to always walk and look like ackee and look mango and something. So I say, alright, if I don't get nobody to follow me in idea tomorrow earlier, I will go. That's not I'm afraid, because my place me now, as you know see, at the Great Tower Avenue this. And just as somebody called me around my yard, and I go around my yard, and him I see I go back down the road. Right? Him I see I go back down the road and I call him and say, what happened to your father? And he tell me. So I say, yes, I. So I say, I go check him father and see what's going on. So basically, I say I can give him father some grocery in the Monthend, yeah? Because you don't know, storm ahead of us. You know, and you don't know, we say, we give to the needy and not the greedy. So I go check him father, you know. Well, I don't know the condition of the place stay, so I don't really want to just run in with camera. So I want to just stay tuned. Lifeisamissiontv. So alright my people, yeah, this you know. So I go around, I go see where I go on. You know. Yeah man. But the direction of them that give me another right direction. Alright. People, I just go pause the camera a little bit and hear him say. Hey tall man, what you say? No, I can't go unless tall man so if you can't come. I can't come tall man. Alright. So when me talk about Ayoban Street, you are going like you don't remember.
Yes, man.
When I live down I saw right at about the second to last or the last year right at Beryl Street, this on Ayoban Street.
Yes, man.
Alright. Well, from them years, them know you. Even know that me see about you in the Olympic Garden. Me always tell people say years me know you for.
Yes, man, that's true, man.
You and your little youth. See him
yes,
there?
Man.
See him the people? I him that. Little baby me know him as and
yes,
see them
man.
get big. You understand? Anyway, tall man.
Yeah.
Me is a YouTuber, right? And me normally give back to the needy at the end of the month.
Yeah.
Right? And me sit down out the road a while ago and your son passed me before me even think about it.
Yes.
And him come back up the road with some bag and I must say, man.
Yes.
Seeing? And them did a question. I say, what am I going to do with the man? What am I going to do with the man?
Yes.
And somebody else say drops him I going to make, right? Man drops.
Yes.
So about 5 minutes after me, I said to myself, say, boy, you know, say, I want to give somebody some grocery in the Monthend versus storm.
Yes.
I want to find a little elder woman or a man.
Yes.
So them say, so what am to do to just pass a while ago? I say, you know, say, I the right man that because years me know that man there.
Yes, man.
So me see him now, me say, I come check you.
Yes, man.
And then I say, I get to check you today, I check you tomorrow.
Yes.
But when me look now, I see him I go down the road, so I call him, so I don't know where I go again. But I call him and say, come, your father around them, say yes. So I say, all right, carry me on your father. Because them did give me direction, but to which part them did tell me, I to find you. I would have to come and ask. I would have find you, but I would have to come and ask.
Yes.
So, I come, I say, boy, I'm going to make you be that person when I give some grocery for the Monthend.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, man.
So,
me a chambers, man.
I just want to know, I come to find out really like, you know, where you eat from where you not eat, because you know a storm that ahead of us and it's nice you have some food in your place.
Yeah.
Right? So, me just want to know where you eat from where you not eat, so me can buy the grocery and deliver it tomorrow.
Me I gotta tell you something. It's one thing I don't eat, and I don't drink, and I don't smoke. I don't drink coffee.
Right.
No smoking, no coffee. But anything otherwise, from pork go right down, anything otherwise.
Alright.
And we find them to something.
So, if me buy like meat, you have place to store your meat?
Yes, man.
Me no want you tell me yes and you not have nowhere and then you have somewhere you put it down when you're ready for it and get it, you know.
No man. Me have a friend over Cockburn Pen well live beside the mayor yard. Yeah man.
Oh, so then we put it down for you?
Yes man, then we put it down for me man.
Alright, what me I gonna do, I might buy you a little 2 pounds of this or a 2.5 pounds of this, but me I gonna buy you mostly non-perishable goods. Cause you say you eat everything. Tin mackerel, sardine, bully beef.
Yes man.
And them something there, and saltfish and so. So who cook for you?
Eh?
You can manage to cook for yourself?
What do you man?
Oh, me just want to know that,
Yes.
man. Cause true, I ask somebody for you and them say probably you're around the sick and can't move.
Yeah, me used to.
And me I say a long time, me not see you.
Me defend sick, you know. Remember some me used to cook for your man chin, you know.
Me know everything, man. I'm telling you, I say a long time, me know your man from Ayoban Street, days down a south, man. People are from in the 80s, this me I talk about, you know.
Man, that's true,
When me
man.
a boy, you know. We
Yeah,
down in
man.
the 80s, me I talk about.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. I don't know, me know him. You see me? So, alright.
Yeah, man.
Yes, since you say you eat everything and thing,
Yes, man.
tomorrow down in the evening, probably about them time, yeah?
Anytime, man. Anytime I write yes, man.
Yeah, man. Just expect me I come check you tomorrow.
Anytime you want come, you come.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So, tomorrow,
Yes,
I miss a
man.
man of my word.
God be with you, man.
Alright, so
Yeah,
tomorrow,
man.
them time you just expect me
Yes,
to turn
man.
up with
Yeah,
some
man.
grocery for you, yeah?
Yes, my friend.
Alright, and you just have
your
your son line up, cause as me say, you say you have somebody can keep the meat kinds.
Yes, man. Yes.
So me I just buy, me not buy too much of the meat you have to go up on fridge, cause remember a storm time people I want to use to feed them fridge
them
also,
fridge. Yeah,
so you
man.
know want to pack them up on your things.
True.
So I might buy less of that type of meat and buy a more non-perishable goods.
Yes, man. True.
Alright, so link up tomorrow
Yes, yes.
and
Yes,
you
man. Me there,
see what I
man.
go
Me
on,
there.
alright?
Yes, my friend.
Alright, so tomorrow
Yeah,
time, man.
thanks. Yeah, man.
Yeah, my people, so you don't know. Me I go back out from the front I know, you know. See how house them in a place? Yeah, man. So me I go back out from the front I know, my people. Yeah, man, me I go back out from the front I know. So tomorrow me just sort out that and you know make him have it. Cause you see, God is really on time, as the man said a while ago when me going, you know. Because as me there I said to you, no, me can't find nobody. And as you know, me not go anybody, cause me say needy, not greedy. Cause there's a whole heap of people out there, you know. But we not look for no greedy people, we look for needy people. You understand? And just as him son passed, the man I said, so want me to him, want me to tall man and him son. I mean I say rotted. You know? Yeah man, me I say rotted, tall man and him son for true. And look upon it, them man and man I know for years, as you know hear myself, him himself come like him Dave now member. You understand? But years, me know them man there, years from way back in the 80s people, Southside days. Southside days, me know them the man there from people. So tomorrow, me just get him grocery fix up and thing. I get him grocery them fix up tomorrow. And just, you know, go link him up. Well, my people, so I buck up on another big man here again. Yeah, the man here a long time, Father Hardly. Yeah man, the man here named Father Hardly. See him little cat here, I eat him also with right from the corner. Anywhere you want to go with your little things, I him do it. So, Storm a come, me I give him little grocery to my people. You understand? Yeah man, because we say, we're there for the needy and not the greedy. So, Father Hardly, you cook on them little something, right? One way you eat like that. You eat everything. You eat sardine, tin mackerel, bully beef, and you eat them something there. And rice and flour. And you cook, you have somebody to cook. Alright, so you have fridge to keep your little meat kind of, not if you buy your meat kind of, you prefer to buy your non-perishable goods. Like sardine and tin mackerel and bully beef. So you prefer the non-perishable goods. Alright, you're on for tomorrow, yeah? Tomorrow them time you're right, yes sir. Right, Hardly? At them time you come out. Oh, you rent the car? Oh, you park it and come out. So which part am I find you if I come? You know more like him go to look for you on the car, with the car. So which part me I go find you? Run a fruits man alright here, so. Alright, so you see tomorrow them time, yeah? Or a little bit earlier, make sure you're there right here, so. Alright? Alright, my people. So yes, my people, as me I said to you, know, I know my one every time I have video on this kitchen and I tell you, so I know my one. Here I don't say I have Benz and I buy, I come in on social media, come buy Benz. Poor me. Marcia, I get all more on me, $500. Jesus, please, Marcia. But she had the whole heap of content still. Anyway, that is not for over here. Back to where me I say. Yes, my people, so as you see, Father God really at work. And we just come around the corner, see all this sit down on him cart. Another long time big man in the community. You know, we use them little cart and house and little thing you want to move. From the can hold on the cart, because even him bearings them, him wrap them himself. Them not rap professional, but him want to know it a run. You understand me I say? Yeah man, him want to know it a run. So him can carry something and make $1. Oh. So I just saw it set up. So tomorrow, right now, you don't know Olympic grocery. The boss not really have no workers for a month them. Give the workers them day off and him alone do him thing. So basically I don't really want to go into the shop right now for go do that. I right time to do it, but it a go lame me up. So basically me just wait till tomorrow when the workers them come on and try to beat the rush, because you don't know if the storm are forward, me have to beat the rush. I can't wait till long in the evening, because you know Jamaicans stay nick of time buying and them something there. So I just wait till tomorrow, just before the evening. I just go out to the shop and I'll get the two. I'm gonna get the two of them some grocery. You understand? When we reach, I don't know which part I can stretch and reach my hands yet, but tomorrow when I get to the shop, I know if I sort them out. But I know if I have an day or two, them can have some grocery. If the storm lasts 6 days, 8 days, 10 days, they might can't give them enough. But at the same time, it better nothing at all. You understand? So the two of them. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, Monthend give back. The two elder. Right time. Best time. Storm time. Alright? Where you need more than food in a storm and a dry house. And a house top when I leak. Bless up until later. Welcome back to the channel, people. As you see, with the Olympic grocery I know, as you see, I already do, you know, a little small interview of the man them yesterday, as you see, and it's a different day. It's the eve of the storm. Today is Tuesday, so we're there upon the block and see it, Olympic group. So we are going to do now, so we are going to the shop. Alright, my people, see it here. Boy, people, I just have to, I call it must one. Let me tell you the exact time, and they play 12 minutes to 3. I swear to me early, people. And the shelf, them shell down, I'm going to show you. The shelf, them shell down already. Worker there, you chop up chicken. You know. See good old pigtail there. Yes, man. And the real old turkey neck. Yeah, man, some curry neck and back. I will say that in the weather, yeah. See the people? Shelf, and him tell me if I wait till the shelf stop back. Boss not there, boss good and come back for now. So if you wait till the people them come take the rest of things off the shelf. See that shelf shell down. Me I take what I can get right now. If we're not there, when me ready and boss come, then me take what else me forget. See that shelf shell down, people. That's how it goes when you hear storm in the ear and the government say prepare. See it? You want to put it on the camera so you can have the evidence? Oh, you find it there's a witness. Lord God. The man say witness we get a money for buy a juice. She make sure point to the camera, people. So the boss can see, so you can say a fee money. See the people? Shell down. Alright, my people, I go and take up and I can't take up, you know. Alright? Two different set of luggage. I offer them here. Shoot them down here. May I use right as now. 3 of this, here, so for 1. I remember 2 bags in people. 2 bags. Alright? 3 this up, here the next one. Alright? The aisle alone. What? Yes, I work even there. General, the aisle alone. Alright.
I forget.
3 mackerel each. You just work for the day, you know, people come. You now wait till stock, shelf stock. Alright, and it might never stop.
3 mixed parts,
When it go stop.
No, like anything other from the mixed parts.
Come naman. Gusto niya ako? Gone with them, they did the long time.
Alright, 1 butter people. People the shelf really tear down for tuna guy. Come like me, don't see nothing up here for tuna. In back, the man dance so long. Where am I dealing with? People, alright. Show them what I want. They come like, I pick up things, watch it. Me have to search the things in a shop we always loaded. Boss gone with key, but them say him just forward, so I can see where I go on. Alright, more your cash now. Alright, come, check this.
Way back some food. Way back some food.
Oh, put the website. Alright, yes, ready. Alright, ready. Crackers.
How many cheese?
Flour. Sugar. You're not here, man. Start over. Bread. Crackers. Butter leaf. Rice. I think a cheap. One man saying no cook. Saltfish, sardine. Bad stomach in the morning. Tea. Alright. Tea. 3 cups soup.
Where's flour there? Where's flour?
Aye. 3 bulla can snack pan, you know? Pineapple bulla.
Don't you want to wrap it?
Pineapple bulla. Yeah.
Where's flour there? Hold
Them
on.
go over there so people flour them a come.
And my wife so slow?
Tin mackerel. Bully beef. Sugar. We mix up the tea.
Flour.
Butter. Yeah. And the butter. 3 tile paper, I don't know if I put tile in a stamp same way. Toothpaste. Alright, I want a little bag now. Give me one bag and put the tile chain on the meat. Yeah.
Where's flour there? Flour the cornmeal. Flour there and
Alright. Yeah, 2 pack of soap. I don't tell you something down here. Remember, I have another bill I say, put that in this. 3 bags soap. Yeah, you have to give me some time. I'm so tired about it.
Rice are coming, I like it.
Yeah, I'm so tired. Just give me some time. I'm so tired. Alright. And some chicken. You know, buy much can send now in the fridge. I think it's what, 2 or 3 pounds. You remember? Well, I'm going to check the weight. You check the weight. Yeah, we are chicken up there. 3 pounds of chicken.
bread come now here, you can send come to buy bread.
3 pounds of chicken, yeah? Alright, that's how you feel that being there. 8,000? Alright, 8,430, that's a one bill. Alright, remember move the box there? And here the next box right away. Because I still have to go to buy some other things. Because I'll be some people, time against me. Alright, see you next box here. Alright. Yeah man, print off that now. 2 different bill, print off that. One man up here with a 2 different bill, you understand? Alright. Let's start this one. That's a 3 sardine. Don't give? Not yet. That man ain't cook here, people.
Me to get 2 pounds of flour
Mackerel, bully beef.
so nice something them here, so.
For the lifespan of the video, we are just pause it. Here, people, we're not hiding the front nothing. We just see the lifespan of the video. We don't want it too long. Alright, people, because through that beer rushing of people see that because there's a single man we say him not cook, you know? When me and give me show you where I go on in the box. I want to see where I go on mostly yes already. Alright? Why my people, the storm rush wicked. Trust me, it's rough, it's rough, it's rough, it's rough. And as you know, Jamaican last minute, and then to everybody get let off 12 o'clock. You find everybody up on the road at one time. You see me I say? Everybody. So, I go up at the liquor store and I get 2 bottles of water for them and 2 bottles of juice. I don't want to really give them no soda, I want to give them like probably a Tropicana or Tropics. So, you just stay with me. People, Storm do this here. See there? Storm. A 2 chuck of chicken this just let off. Storm do this. So it go. You see people them have them type of place, a food store, when them hear storm, them mind them hear that every week. Them not busy with you where your pocket are go burn with a storm come, yes or no. Them just want to hear storm every week, every day. Yes man. Yes my people, so I go across at the wholesaler now, you know. Go see me get the water and the juice. How much you say? 1,340. 1,340? Sit here. Sit here. Some people, I got to deliver the box now, the one with the meat, the chicken. Yeah, I got to say I can't deliver that now because time I catch up in the people, I tell you. The place I get more busy and stuck here more than anything else. As you know, him no have no fridge and I can't, in them time, I buy no whole pot meat kind to go in a fridge. Because people are going to need the space of them fridge. Plus, storm time, so you don't know. Current can gone. Alright? Yeah, man. As some little old people who can't well hungry, me look out for. I say, you're strong, me, I say you can't stand up on your foot and order where you are order.
I'm tired, sir.
Are you tired?
I'm tired, don't worry, I'm going.
And the sun again so hot. Jesus Christ. That's why I'm dying to get out there, because I want to start get miserable.
No, man, in the shop, too much somebody about their ears.
Some people, when you saw the place look, the Saharan dust, plus the sun out hot people. Just look in front of me, like a smoke, and I no smoke here. Anyway, I'm going to turn on the road now. Which part I'm going to deliver, which part the man in the room where his son. And people, his son is not kinda, his son is, I don't know if I should use the word retarded. Yeah. Yeah. We call it special need whatsoever, but retarded. Make I use that word. I don't think that word is bad for me to use. So I am going now to drop off. You understand? Yeah. I think I mean my wait pan door, but I can't see my gate. Probably a fresh air my take. Tall man. Yes, sir. I reach. See a boy that to call him. Hello. Alright, my people. Well, I'm come out of the car. Take out the box. Here, tall man, so me arrive.
Yes, sir.
Alright. May I make you see where I go on in the box here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So my people, I just say, oh, the chicken, may I take out the chicken left on the seat. Alright, these are some soap, bath soap and washing soap. Yeah. And you have some tissue here. Yeah. You have butter bean, you have cup soup, you have some flour, you have rice, you have toothpaste, you have lasco, you have 3 bulla where you can munch pan, you have tough crackers, you have sardine, you have sugar, you have saltfish, you have bread, you have bully beef, you have hile, and you have tin mackerel.
Yes, sir.
And see, there you have water, yeah, so, and you
Yes,
have a little juice.
juice.
And I go for the chicken. I go for the chicken. Yeah, my people, that are the chicken.
Yeah.
Me not buy no whole heap of fridge product because me say a storm, light can go away, plus him not have no personal fridge. This time son, you know, as me say, years me know them. Years from him a baby, from probably before him born, and me no know no other people. I just him and him me know from me know them. And me I tell him from way in the 80s.
Yes, sir.
So, tall man, you gotta just big up the people them. We support the channel because without them it couldn't possible.
True.
So just big up the Life is a Mission people them.
Yes, sir.
Just say thank you, Life is a
Thank
Mission.
you.
Yes, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, just thank them. Alright. So bless up yourself, tall man, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, if nobody there on the program, see up on the program and want to reach out, you make them reach out. Me not stop your blessings.
Yes, man.
Alright? So bless up yourself.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Because thank you very much. And drive carefully, yes?
Alright, bless up yourself. Alright. Hold on, my boss. I forgot to left a thing with you, you know. As bad as thing be, me always left a thing with you know. Alright. See a $1,500, you just put a $1,500 in your pocket.
Thank you very much. Man.
Alright?
Give
Yeah,
God
man.
Thanks, man. Because
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
like them already.
Alright. Oh, a light, you buy light, no?
Huh? Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, alright. Yeah, what you do? Give me back the $500. Alright. Me double the money. Because I forgot to say, man like Uno around here, so I buy one have to buy light.
Yes,
Yeah, them depend on the system people, where them have to buy light. So instead of me give him 15, me give him 3,000 because I say him light depend red.
Yes,
and you know, well, you don't want out of light, but if it's shut down, so you can't, it's shut down by the storm. But if you know, say, right, so you can buy your light and still put something in your pocket.
Yes, man.
Alright, bless up yourself, Tal,
Yes,
man.
I give thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, my people, so me I head back out on the front in my part, you know. So, me I go wait for Hardy now that the cat man, because me they tell him we don't gonna even and probably choose so that him not come out so early. So, I don't mind see him now and just get rid of everything and just done. And second myself and know so the rest of the time and my time, anything I want to do with it, me just do with it, you know. But me they tell him say down in the evening, which is probably about another hour and a half from now, me I expect him, alright? Alright my people, guess what me know? As you see me there wait for Hardy, that I little man with the cat. Right? But my buck him I go shop, somebody said him to go shop and thing and I say alright, go on a shop and come back and go for the cat because I know him now can manage it. People, at the same grocery shop when I go buy. People if you ever see it, Jesus please. It full till the shop I run over. Me come late Hardy now, can't see Hardy, me I wonder why because I tell him to go for the car. I wait, as you don't see me I drive here now, look. Where there's some me I drive, bro. You run here, sir? The next. Where you go? Ebony Road you go?
No man, right here.
Oh yeah, in a lane, St. Paul lane?
No man, right
Go through the churchyard?
Yes.
Okay.
Go on.
So, me can't see hardly a come. Alright. Me can't see hardly a come, me people. You're hearted. I look, say me I go look in the shop when me look at Hardy that I come up from the shop. Still do if you get through. So me couldn't wait for him to go for no car. So me just carry him down with the something them. Because him alone couldn't manage it. So him run I back there, see him? Yeah, see him there. Which part I forgot there? Which part the goat I go?
Go straight now.
I in a churchyard live?
Yeah.
So you know get none of them house over there so you hold this a bill up.
I don't know.
You know must have forget one because they say them want to. Alright, you can't come off here so don't. And me carry the box go down the field.
Yeah.
Alright, we do that then now. Oh you mean they live on the compound and me say them gonna want everybody off of the church. Well I mean I come pull the door out. Them say them gonna want everybody off of the churchyard. So basically you must have get one of them, they never sign up. So you don't sign up for none of them?
Then they take the money and but me no know.
Yeah man, you must have get one. Hardy, you're elder in a place in the Hardy, so they must look out for you and give you one. Yes, my people, you know, long for come do a little short video. Some of the houses that, you know, the Prime Minister, the MP of the constituency have built up for this little settlement land. But I want to go now, I think of it, you know. Yeah, man, you them play a ball and thing, you know. Yeah, man. You never can manage it. And on a big box, you drink tea, you buy peppermint for you and sugar in the box. So you have cup soup, you have Lasco, you have peppermint, you have toothpaste, you buy saltfish for you, I buy butter, you have bread, you have crackers. Alright, take this in your hand. That's a soap, bath soap and washing soap. Right? And so I buy 3 bowl of your fear. You have sugar, you have toilet paper, you have bully beef, you have sardine, and you have butter bean in there. You understand? It's better than nothing. I see your water there, and I buy you one little juice. So carry them, you go on and come back for the box. You can manage that? Alright, you ready? Give me the bag. Give me this. And you can carry that. Go on and come now. Yeah man, go on and come. Yeah? Him not running a video, so him want to go on YouTube. Yeah man, you know? No. Tower Hill or Our Hill. Famous St. Paul's Lane. You know? Prime Minister built up some nice house to keep them out of a little settlement. And turn around here in a little mini scheme, you know? Yeah man. Nice 2-story. Nice 2-story. So all of the settlement them will get reader. Yes man. Yeah my people, straight to Edish where you see that green light there. And somebody live there, you know. That's how the place is set up. You know, right through and through. You understand? Even if part of the building I build up there now, and people that live there and stuff. So them I get rid of them and separate them, build up and give them back houses where they can live in. You understand? Then them are gonna move from the side here to another side where you know not really have no whole heap of concrete structure, boardhouse business and zinc and sitting. Yeah. I think they're gonna leave those concrete one that has built up, yeah. So the company box you know. You can't lift up yourself, you can't manage it hardly. You can't manage it. Alright, here what me I gonna do now. Me I put the bag in one of your hands so you just carry everything with the bath soap and the soap. Yeah. Alright, this is $1,500.
Thank you.
Just put that in your pocket.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And pick it. It might not know, but you pick it, you know where you might want. You might want 2 little kangaroo, or you might want something, or you might want, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, put that in your pocket good. And then you put back your hand on the back same way.
Yeah.
And you just hook the bag now in your hand.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah man, so you're good. Big up yourself Hardy. Yeah man, long time look at man us up on the front, you know? Big up yourself. Yeah man, Hardy I go down with him little box, you know? Give thanks and praise, you know, people. Bless up. You know, we just give back from the liquor we have, you know? And as me say, if somebody come on board, it's even better we can give 1, 2 or 3. You know, sorry, so it's never possible for me to give all 5, 6, 7, 8 somebody in a time like this where many people right now don't know where drink of water come from tomorrow morning if the storm blow. You understand? Many people don't know. So, I'm sorry, I can't help 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 somebody, but I do what I can do. As I say, I do it from a little I get from my channel a Monthend time. And you have a few little people who reach out and send a thing and stuff. And as I say, it's not a charity, it's just a give back. You know? Yeah man, it's just a give back. So, life is a mission, people. That's the Monthend give back. So just bless upon yourself and give thanks and praise. You know. Next month we are gonna do like a little back to school thing. Cause you know next month in July month we are going to August. So you don't know right after the independent. That's the time people start shop for back to school. The people them who can hardly find it wait till nickel time as usual. That's typical Jamaicans. So next month I'm gonna try to see if I can buy some of those good hardcover book, buy even a box of it or a box and a half of it, you know, and pack some bag and some pencils. Not some bag, yeah, some books and pencil in a little bag and just issue out randomly to some school kids because as I said, the parents them don't want to come on camera to receive nothing at all where, you know, it can be a content, you know, for the channel so the channel can earn. So when me earn from it, me can give back. You understand? Them feel like you do it because you do it for your cloud for try for, you know, show them up or whatsoever. It's not so. It's a content. And when the content go on the channel, it might earn. It might never earn when me I give it. But at the same time, it's just content. You understand what I say? And whatever you earn from the content at the same time, it might draw people who want to come out and give a helping hand and stuff like that. But them just feel like say probably too much pride. But as me say, if them all corner boy get corn up and drop out a road and see VM come, them run in front of the camera and TVJ and want go in front of the camera and demonstrate them no business, all them ear fix, all them face look, all them mouth look, if matter in them eye, them no business. But when them come achieve something for better off them kids' life where they can't afford to give, and because them can't afford to give, the kids suffer if you go to school, days on top of days, the kids don't go to school because of lunch money. You understand? Because I have no uniform, boy, I not have no shoes. And I not send my picnic to school without shoes. You understand? But it still help come, and all you got to do is just, you know, accept the help. You know, and not like we are come ask you a life story or whatsoever. You know, we just want to see the thing and we put it out there so people can see and gravitate. Because as me said, me not there for run a charity, it's just a give back, and if somebody see somebody on the channel and want to reach out to them, once them have a number, I will gladly make them give them number. Me not want to have nothing to do with it. You understand? But if somebody not have a number like an elderly person and it have to come through me, you know, I will do it. Me not go block nobody blessing, but me not really want to get into the part where when you don't see somebody and reach out, me have to be the part of person there. No. Yeah, me not want to be the person that call it nothing for nobody. Somebody there on the channel and them wish to give out them number, them give it out if you wish to reach out to them, or reach out to them. Not me. I will only accept you reaching out to me after you see somebody only if it's an elderly person and them not have nobody where them can say, okay, yes, collect this. I will do that. Alright, people. But bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for who can reach out if you send a $5 or $10. You still, from you watch the channel, support the channel, and you watch the ads, you play your part, because it's what I gained from the channel. I use to help these people and giving back. No care how small it is. Alright? But remember, it's not a charity. It's a give back. Bless up. Thanks for watching. Let me make you see me. Yeah, man, I'm there in my car, you know? There, so I eat that. Bless up. Them say about 1:30 we're going to start feeling the effect of the storm, which is, this is what, Tuesday. So by Wednesday morning 1:30, I want to know, Life is a Mission roving team will be out in the street to bring it to you. Bless upon yourself and do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the channel. Alright? Bless up.